So I thought for this video, I was talking about it a little bit, but I haven't done this kind of style video yet, which is just me opening up VS Code and going through how I build a prospect list without touching the keyboard. So I'm going to keep my hands up here. Just, well, no, actually I need one finger to do the whisper flow command. But there's a few tools that I'm using to do this, right? So there's DiscoLike, which is great for TAM mapping or lookalike audiences. Then you've got EXO, which is more for it, like a specific kind of search requests because it vectorizes the internet. And then using something like Prospeo to then grab the actual decision maker's contact information and then pushing that into SmartLead. So I'm going to just do like a quick one because I don't want to kind of go too crazy with it. But we work with complex sales cycles, businesses. So what I'm going to start off with is just looking at manufacturing companies. Let's take a vertical more than that because that's quite a big one. I'm going to go to LMS companies, so learning management solutions, actually, because that's a much more specific and niche audience. So what I want to look for is learning management solutions companies. I want you to use DiscoLike and reference companies like 360 Learning, Cornerstone, RiseUp. These are all LMS solution companies. And I want us to just find that universe across Western Europe and the US and UK. So can we use DiscoLike for that, please? Oh, okay, so I need to, okay, I've already broken the first rule is that I've had to use the copy and paste command. And hopefully it understands DiscoLike because it's like. But yeah, so it's, you know, we've already created some skills here, so it's just looking at, it's looking for lists. There you go, look, it's found it. So this is going to go through and basically, look, it's building me a prospect list based on a lookalike audience. And this is just one layer of this that really can be built out and layered into loads of things. But prior to this, right, you'd have to load up a browser and then you'd have to do all of this work yourself. You'd have to click through the buttons and make sure you map out the size of all of that stuff. Now this gives you, that's doing that in the background whilst I could get on with other work, right? So it's pretty useful. Or I could set up and launch about 15 campaigns if I wanted to. I'm actually running a roundtable in London. So what I'm going to do is see how much of the audience comes back and then look at the audience from London and then go out to that. I don't know if this is quite a niche audience, so I don't know how many people there will be in the London area, but we can start to check out. No, even the amount that's come back at the moment is 928, which is not a massive world, but still it's very niche. So once that's found, promising, but the DiscoLike description are a bit noisy in places, which is normal for lookalike data. I'm switching to structured yes. See, it's crazy. But once it's built this list, I'm just trying to think of a campaign angle because we do have an event. Actually, I did want to also promote the Skool group, so I might do that as well. Be funny if you joined the Skool group and you see it using this off the bat, like you'd see the back end of what we're doing here to grow that community out. So this is loading up. It's crazy what it does. Here. The crazy thing is that it's so easy and pretty cheap to do this stuff. There's other platforms that you can also leverage to do this kind of stuff. So yeah, it's just insane what's possible. I could actually set up more than one agent and start building out the campaign copy, which is totally fine, but I just feel like I want to keep everything congruent, let's say. So first build the list, see what the output is here, and then we can move on to the next step. This is why I think APIs is going to be the new field of competitive advantage or layer of competitive advantage. It's like your API is layered with context of what are the skills that you bring to the table. I think those are the things that are going to make a difference. And then just your thinking behind it. I think incredible what it can do with this stuff to really hone it in on a target audience, to cut through the noise. Oh, that's crazy that it's come out with such a low. But let's just take the core, because that's actually good that it's just found a small amount. Can we take the core LMS, LXP companies, push that into Prospeo, and find either the sales director, CRO, or the founder, depending on the size of business? So let's split it up to like the smaller organizations, 10 to 100, include the founder or CEO. Beyond that is sales director, marketing director, CRO, anyone that would be responsible for making decisions on our solutions and services. If we can find at max 3 people per organization, use Prospeo to do that. So again, I've just gotten a list and then passing it over to Prospeo to find the right people. It's going to do that. Now, again, this is just to give a demonstration of how you just do it end to end. In reality, in an ideal world, you're kind of also layering in signals and being a bit more nuanced. So yeah, I'm going to wait for this to finish and then we can go back from there. So it's completed the enrichment with Prospeo. I'm not going to open it because I think it will dox everything or people's email addresses and stuff, so I don't want to do that, but it's a good list. And what I'm going to do next is just write some copy for this audience. So what I'm going to say, hey, so I want to put some copy down. I just want it to be 2 messages with our group that we have across. We share the latest in go-to-market strategies. This is a Skool community. We did have a LinkedIn group that has 300 members, but we're trying to pivot it into the Skool community now. So if you can create this message, and let's see what comes out of it. So again, I'm not really thinking too toughly about this. It's probably I could do a better job. Maybe it's been a long day. But the premise of this is not to kind of showcase what ideas I have for the campaign. I'm just keeping it simple and then just showing you how this can go straight into a SmartLead campaign. So I've kind of done the first initial scope of a lookalike audience based on all that we know, and then now it's created the message, and here you can see. Actually, that looks pretty sweet. Okay. This looks good. Yeah, can we push this straight into SmartLead then? So SmartLead is the email sending platform that we use. I would be able to even allocate emails, but yeah, I just want to get it to a point where it's kind of ready to go. So you can see start sending, attached to sending accounts. We just bought a bunch, and I'm leaving that down to the rest of the members of the team. But you can see this is a pretty specific message. And again, another example of a system, I guess, that can be set up, and that will allow you to just create campaigns through just talking to it. And this is kind of, let's say this is level 1, just creating a standard campaign, but really what I want to start demonstrating is a bit more of the ways to segment audiences above just traditional ICP. So if we go to, and I'm just going to pause it here, and voila, here it is. I just didn't want to dox everyone, all of our clients' campaigns. But if I click into this, you'll see that there's the list of accounts and the sequences are set up. Sometimes it does need a little bit of a review, but I'm not going to go through everything right now. But I mean, we've gotten to the point of launching a campaign basically by just chatting, which I think is pretty impressive, considering back in the day you'd have to build a list, have to do all the bits around it. So I think what this will do is it will hopefully, with the right people, it will allow you to start ideating and just talking and then creating specific prospect campaigns that are a bit more niche and tailored to the audience rather than going out broad with something. This is more just an example to show what's possible, just on the simple end of being able to grab a list from an idea, just grab a list and then launch a campaign. And this is just done off the cuff, really. So if you want to know how to do this yourself, or you're interested in, we've got the community. I've got a GitHub repo where I'm sharing a lot of skills. And then if you are interested in looking at how we can do this for yourself, we help companies identify the signals that are custom and bespoke to them to find out who's coming into a buy-in zone, as well as the relationship motions that help them to actually build the trust and the relationships that close the bigger deals. Then reach out to us in under.co.uk. Catch you in a bit.